Hey, guys! Welcome back to the Mechanical Special where we rev up your automotive knowledge. Today, we are going to discuss the symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. EVAP canister plays a vital role in the performance of the engine. A bad EVAP canister may lead to different issues. Let's discuss these issues. First things first, let's quickly understand what the EVAP canister does. The EVAP canister captures and stores fuel vapors from the fuel tank and fuel lines. The canister prevents these fuel vapors from being released into the atmosphere, thereby reducing harmful hydrocarbon emissions, which contribute to air pollution. Symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. 1. Check engine light. The vehicle's onboard diagnostic system monitors the performance of the EVAP system. If it detects a leak, blockage, or malfunction, it triggers the check engine light. This could be due to a faulty EVAP canister that is not properly capturing or releasing fuel vapors. 2. Fuel odor. The EVAP canister is designed to trap fuel vapors from the fuel tank and prevent them from escaping into the atmosphere. If the canister is damaged or saturated, it can't contain these vapors, leading to a noticeable fuel smell around the vehicle. 3. Poor engine performance. A faulty EVAP canister can cause a vacuum leak or improper air-fuel mixture, leading to rough idling, difficulty starting, or poor acceleration. The engine relies on a precise balance of air and fuel, and disruptions can affect performance. 4. Failed emissions test. The EVAP system is a critical part of the vehicle's emissions control. A faulty EVAP canister means that fuel vapors are not being properly stored and purged that may cause higher emissions of hydrocarbons. This will cause the vehicle to fail an emissions test. 5. Hissing noise. A hissing noise can indicate a vacuum leak in the EVAP system. If the canister or associated hoses are damaged, air can escape, causing this noise. This leak can also disrupt the vacuum necessary for the EVAP system to function properly. 6. Difficulty fueling. The EVAP canister includes a vent that allows air to escape from the fuel tank as it is being filled. If the canister is clogged or malfunctioning, the vent may be blocked, causing the fuel nozzle to shut off repeatedly because the tank cannot properly vent air. 7. Increased fuel consumption. If the EVAP canister is not functioning properly, it can lead to an incorrect air-fuel ratio. This inefficiency in the combustion process can cause the engine to use more fuel than usual, reducing overall fuel economy. So, there you have it. The top symptoms of a bad EVAP canister. If you notice any of these signs, don't ignore them. Get your vehicle checked by a professional to avoid bigger issues down the road. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update.